5 routine veterinary procedures that you believe are protecting your dog's health are actually causing serious physical and psychological damage that shortens their lifespan and destroys their trust in humans. And what veterinary whistleblowers recently revealed about overtreatment in modern vet practices will shock you, because profit motives are driving unnecessary procedures that harm more dogs than they help. The veterinary visits you schedule thinking you are being a responsible pet owner might be exposing your dog to dangerous treatments, toxic medications, and traumatic experiences that create more problems than they solve. Stay with me, because what I reveal about these harmful procedures could save your dog from unnecessary suffering and protect them from treatments that do more damage than good. Independent veterinary researchers who studied long-term outcomes of common procedures found that many routine treatments recommended by veterinary clinics provide minimal benefits while creating significant risks that are rarely explained to pet owners. The veterinary industry has become profit-driven rather than health-focused, leading to overtreatment patterns that generate revenue while potentially harming the animals they claim to help. Your trust in veterinary recommendations might be putting your dog in danger. The first harmful procedure disguised as preventive care is annual vaccines for diseases your dog has already developed immunity against, leading to vaccine overload that damages their immune system and causes chronic inflammatory conditions, autoimmune disorders, and cancer at injection sites. Adult dogs who received puppy vaccines typically maintain immunity for years or even life, making annual boosters unnecessary and potentially dangerous. Repeated vaccinations overwhelm the immune system and create adverse reactions that include seizures, behavioral changes, and chronic illness. Your yearly vaccine visits might be slowly destroying your dog's natural immune function. Second, routine dental cleanings requiring general anesthesia expose your dog to unnecessary surgical risks, including death, organ damage, and neurological problems for procedures that provide minimal health benefits while generating significant clinic revenue. Many dogs die from anesthesia complications during routine dental cleanings that were not medically necessary. The risks of anesthesia often outweigh any benefits from professional teeth cleaning, especially for older dogs or those with health conditions. Your dog's teeth cleaning appointment might be more dangerous than the dental problems it claims to prevent. Third, aggressive heartworm prevention protocols using monthly toxic medications poison your dog with pesticides designed to kill parasites, but also damage their liver, kidneys, and nervous system while preventing infections that are easily treatable if they occur. The side effects from heartworm preventives often cause more health problems than heartworm infection itself, which is relatively rare and treatable when detected early. Monthly pesticide exposure accumulates in your dog's organs and creates toxic buildup that leads to chronic illness and shortened lifespan. Have you noticed changes in your dog's behavior or health after routine vet visits or starting new medications? Share your observations in the comments below, because connecting these patterns is important. Fourth, prescription diets recommended for minor health issues often contain the same toxic ingredients as commercial dog foods, while costing dramatically more and providing no health benefits beyond expensive marketing claims. Prescription pet foods use lower quality ingredients than premium commercial foods, while charging premium prices based on veterinary endorsements rather than nutritional superiority. These foods often worsen the conditions they claim to treat, while generating significant profits for veterinary clinics through exclusive sales arrangements. Fifth, unnecessary diagnostic tests and screening procedures expose your dog to radiation, stress, and invasive procedures that provide information rarely used to improve their health while generating substantial clinic revenue. Many diagnostic tests are performed for profit rather than medical necessity, subjecting healthy dogs to procedures that create anxiety and potential health risks without providing meaningful benefits. The stress from unnecessary medical procedures can damage your dog's immune system and create behavioral problems that persist long after the appointment. The psychological trauma from excessive veterinary interventions creates fear and anxiety around medical care that makes future necessary treatments more difficult and stressful for your dog. Dogs who experience frequent unnecessary procedures often develop veterinary phobia that requires sedation for routine care, creating additional risks and complications. Overtreatment damages the trust relationship between your dog and medical caregivers, making them fearful of situations where they need genuine help. But here is the most disturbing discovery. Many veterinary recommendations are driven by corporate protocols and profit targets rather than individual assessment of your dog's actual health needs, leading to standardized treatment plans that ignore individual circumstances and risk factors. Veterinary corporations often require their veterinarians to recommend specific procedures and medications regardless of medical necessity, creating pressure to overtreat healthy animals for financial rather than medical reasons. The solution to protecting your dog from harmful veterinary overtreatment involves educating yourself about your dog's actual health needs, seeking second opinions for major procedures, and finding veterinarians who prioritize individual assessment over standardized protocols. Question recommendations that seem excessive or unnecessary, and ask for detailed explanations of risks and benefits before agreeing to treatments. Your dog depends on you to advocate for their welfare against profit-driven medicine. Understanding which veterinary procedures cause more harm than benefit empowers you to make informed decisions that protect your dog's health and avoid unnecessary treatments that generate profit while damaging their well-being. Your dog deserves medical care that genuinely improves their health rather than subjecting them to risky procedures for financial gain. The choices you make about veterinary treatments will significantly impact your dog's lifespan and quality of life. Every medical intervention should provide clear benefits that outweigh the risks, and you have the right to refuse treatments that do not meet this standard. Your dog's health is too important to risk on unnecessary procedures recommended for profit rather than medical necessity. What veterinary procedures has your dog experienced that seemed unnecessary or caused negative reactions? Share your experiences with overtreatment in the comments, because pet owners need to share information about harmful veterinary practices. If you want to learn more about protecting your dog from unnecessary veterinary treatments and finding healthcare providers who prioritize animal welfare over profits, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Your dog's health and safety depend on your ability to distinguish between necessary medical care and profit-driven overtreatment that creates more problems than it solves.